Find the surface area of the cone. So to work out the surface area of the cone, we've got the bottom circular part, which will just be pi r squared, and we're going to add to that what you call the curved surface area, which is pi times by the radius times by what you call the slant height here, which is referred to as L in the formula, pi r L. So just going to insert the numbers into here. So we've got the radius being 4, so we've got pi times by 4 squared plus pi times by the radius again, which is 4, times by the slant height of 6. So 4 squared gives you 16 pi, plus pi times 4 times 6 is 24 pi. Add the two of them together, it leaves you with 40 pi. And then we need the units, surface area and inches, so most going to be square inches. Find the surface area of the cone, and again consider how that would be worked out by pi r squared plus pi r L, and we know the radius again here is 2, so we can put that in. Pi times by 2 squared plus pi times by 2 times by the slant height. Slant height's missing here, so we're going to have to go and work that out. So we can do that using Pythagoras because we've got a right angled triangle on two sides. So we're going to have that L squared is going to be equal to the longest side, so square and add the others. 4 squared plus 2 squared. 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4, so add those together to get 20. So L will be the square root of 20. And square root of 20 on the calculator gives you 4.47. You could have left that as a surd for a little bit, but you're going to have to actually work it out in a minute. So we've got 4 pi, I should have put that in there for really, 4.47 and a bit. And then I need to work out 2 lots of that times by pi. And that gives you 28.1. Might as well work that out while I'm there, so take that out, work out the actual value of 4 pi, because I can't leave my answer in specifically in terms of pi, so I'm going to have to actually work this one out. So 4 times by pi will give you 12.6, that's the 1 decimal place. Try and avoid making a rounding error here, but when I add these two bits together, that will give me an answer of 40.7 to 1 decimal place. And then we need to put the units on as well here, and it's an area, so that will be square feet.